On the pad is the Nazgul F4D for Dead Cat. Gonna enjoy flying through some gates here at PSL. Launching. I'm gonna stay at this end of the field, away from the guy doing the yard work. Gonna get a little bit better line up. I can get through that tube today. Not right now. My hands haven't settled down yet. Fly by the ground camera. I think that's going to look good in the camera. I'm going to look forward to seeing that. That was scary. I almost hit the camera. Don't hit the camera. That was fun. That was a real short flight. I'm going to be on the ground. All is well, and we're done for the day.